Hello friends, this is the Cryptonian. Look, what a big day this is for crypto. Breaking news, Ripple wins the case against the SEC. A judge rules that XRP is not a security. This is big, guys. This is really big. Now, if you're in crypto, if you have been in crypto for a while, you know that this is huge because this really opens the door for other companies, other cryptos to also follow through and sue and be declared not a security, just as Ripple, if they feel that they have the same structure, uh, crypto setup as XRP does. Now let's take a look and see what happened to XRP. XRP is up 40% today on this news, friends. Price just going nuts. This is the 4 hours. Let's go to the daily. Here's the daily candle. This is crazy, guys. Up 40%. Again, you really don't want to be chasing this. I can't give financial advice, but safe to say, I probably would not be chasing this today, right? 40%. Now, what's the structure look like? What is going on here as far as the big picture, the real stuff? Well, we can see that the RSI up here is purple. That means it's extreme. It's 82, and this is, I said this in a previous video that this could happen, and this is exactly what happened. 82, and then we see with the Cryptonian suite, the Cryptonian suite is telling you that the RSI is overextended. It's very, very strong, but it's overextended. Usually when you see this RSI, relative strength, when you see so much relative strength, it means that there's so much buying that price is elevated to extreme levels relative to past price, right? So this being said, that's kind of a warning if you're not in, you might want to wait till this cools off, right? EMA bullish, the trend is bullish. DMA, bullish, everything to the moon bullish, of course, expansion. And here's that expansion I was talking about in previous videos. The blue line above the moving average goes into an expansion, shows a lot of strength, and that's what you want to see. You want to be in those big moves, right? Of course, today, is a special day for XRP and crypto because of such news. Now, taking a look at the volatility. See, again, here's volatility 36. 36, and that shows you that we're pushing up into an expansive, strong expansive move, and so yeah, that's what that looks like. Okay, now where are we going? Where are we going? Let's take a look at the weekly. We really need to kind of zoom out and take a look and see where this is going. Okay, wow, this is huge, guys. So already, as you can see, we are already in resistance territory. Okay, there we go. This is the point in which XRP needs to hold above, which is 59 cents. 59 cents. 59.1 cents is the support now. If XRP can hold above that, and then the resistance area is right here. So this can go over time as high as right here. Hold on, brush. There we go. Can go as high as 86.1 cents if this move is going to hold, and if this is not just hysteria. And then we could see some type of pullback and consolidation, obviously, before we go up to that. But that's ultimately where it could be going, because right now and I think this is the real reason why we're seeing such a strong, long and strong candle is because there is so much shorting here, so many shorts in this area, and then what happens is when you break through like that, all the shorts are knocked out of their positions, and of course, if you're shorting, you are forced to buy back. you're forced to buy back to get back into, excuse me, to exit your position, and at a loss, of course. And so that's why all of that buying pushed the XRP price to the moon. It's just what a massive, massive push here. So I do expect there to be some type of some kind of a pullback here, right? Some kind of a, yeah, some kind of a pullback. So a retesting of this breakout point. I think a lot of this is just hysteria and shorts being knocked out of position. So I don't expect this to just skyrocket to 86 cents right away, right? 59 cents is just crazy. Going back to the daily, you can see that we have, uh, let's see here. Yeah, okay. Boy, I tell you, when you see these real big moves, it kind of messes the chart up as far as everything's out of whack. It's really funny. But anyway, so yeah, okay, so we're above the fib here. Here's the fib at 63.2 cents. We could come back, and if we come back and consolidate on that, that would be very significant. Or we could come right back to the yellow line, the scene of the crime where we broke out 59.2 cents and consolidate. So how much of this is going to hold as far as the price level? Not sure. How much is going to be uh, profit taking and how much that will affect price? Not really sure. We'll just have to wait and see, okay? Now, one thing that's very important is that check this out, guys. Check this out. 56% now for XRP. Wow, this is crazy. 57%. Yeah, definitely don't want to be chasing this. If you're in it, congratulations to all of the XRP holders. Look at this. It's causing many, many breakouts. Solana breaking out above the 200 here. Solana up 19%, breaking out above the 200. Now, I don't expect Solana to hold this. I believe Solana is just part of the hype and will be coming down shortly. But the price point to hold is going to be right here, 22.12 cents. That's the 200 moving average. You want to hold that to flip all of this into a bullish move, right? So let's take a look. Yeah, definitely up into resistance. And again, we need to come back, as Gareth Soloway says, to the scene of the crime. We need to come back. I'm expecting this to come all the way back down and retest this 21.99, 22 cents area, right? Now you can see again the Cryptonian volatility tool is showing you this move was coming, right? Actually, the move began down here at this fib level when it bounced off of this fib level, and you can see it turned blue. It went from yellow to blue. Now this is the move down, which was a volatile move down, and you can see how the blue line is telling you this is a continuous strong move. And then when it reaches right about here, that's the end of the move, right? Turns yellow. This line turns yellow, and you can now see that a reversal starts taking place, and then it goes up. Holds here, and then this would have been a great place to enter right here. And then of course you can see turns blue right here and starts moving up in a very, very powerful way. So had a small little break here, yellow. That was just a breather, nothing major, which is a reaction at this fib level. And then look at this, right? Excuse me. Yeah, yeah, right in this area. That was a reaction off of that fib level. But you can see the trend line is green. The cloud is green. So the Cryptonian suite tool set is keeping you in your position until you hit here. Now, Solana is currently RSI 79. Look at that. RSI 79. Way, way, way. Very, very strong, but really way, way out of line for an entry at this point. Congratulations to everyone in Solana as well. Everything is green. Volatility 49, looking very strong. And but I do expect this to come back right here, testing the 200 moving average at $22.23. And so at that point, that may be a consideration. If it consolidates like this, that may be a consideration to enter at that point. Point of control, and this is what I like about the volume profile, shows you where all of the action is. Most of the buying was here, and then you can see a lot of volume coming in here, and of course this is the line. Point of control, $20.93, and if Solana can stay above $22.93, then potentially it's going to stay bullish and then can move up from there. Okay, let's take a look at another one, which is, let's see here. Oh, sand. Now sand is popping 10%. So it's created a big reaction. Optimism popping 10%. Matic. Matic is, oh, look at this. This is sweet. Now look at this. Matic was in a daily downtrend, and this is not surprising because Bitcoin is holding steady where it's at. And so what you're seeing is the altcoins catching up to test the 200 moving average from the underside, right? So, and if this continues, that they're going to flip bullish and change trend as well. Now, Lido pumping again, but this is more like a already at resistance, 15% up. This is more like a wedge, more like consolidation, sideways consolidation. FTM up about 10%. Here's a significant one. ADA breaking out almost 13% now, and this is very important. I talked about this in the last video, that they're looking like they're going to break out, and if they hold this, then if they hold this breakout, which I think they will, they can move higher as long as Bitcoin doesn't dump and retrace, right? Ultimate goal 35 cents, 35.7 cents here at the 200 moving average, and you'll see maybe a little bit of reaction around this area at 33.8 cents. Now I do expect Cardano to come down and retest that breakout of 30.4 cents, and so but if the market stays strong, Cardano will stay strong as well. Taking a look at, okay, here we go. See, now this is important. We had the crossover. We are above the 10 line of volatility. This right now volatility is 15.2, and so that's above 10, and so this is actually potentially going to go into a uptrend. Okay, showing signs of strength here and volatility. So that is definitely one to keep your eye on. A little bit weaker than the others. RSI is 64. You're not seeing, a tremendous high RSI at the moment at 64, and the EMA trend is still a little bit bullish. So actually, when we come back down and retest this would be an excellent place to get in, because again, this is at a fib level, this is at the breakout level, and this is at the 50 moving average. So there's a lot of confluence here, and so this is a beautiful place on a retracement to enter. Again, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's just my opinion. It's beautiful. Showing expansion on the volatility mod, and it's beautiful. So congratulations to everyone who actually purchased this area right here, or even right before the breakout. So congratulations. Anyway, there you have it. Just want to make a quick video. Congratulations to all XRP holders. Wow, big news for XRP. That actually opens the door for others like Cardano. I expect Cardano, ADA, to have the same ruling if they fight it, or the same designation once the space matures with decisions being handed down or whatever. But ADA, this opens the door for ADA to be declared not a security, because ADA was launched in Japan, and they have separate entities. It's kind of it's sufficiently decentralized, right? So this is really big. So really big for ADA. Congratulations. XRP, congratulations. Solana, I'm not really familiar with how much decentralization they have. I'm not really sure. I'd have to take a look at that. Okay, but I think Solana is also going up, possibly because people think that maybe Solana may not be a security. So I think that's probably a lot of the hopes that are going around right now. Anyway, don't get caught up in the hype, because you could get burned. A lot of volatility going on right now. Be careful. Wait for things to settle down. Um, but yeah, I would say that's probably a pretty good entry right here at this time. So thanks for watching. Please click like. Please subscribe for further videos. And yeah, this is a great day for crypto. Take care, friends. We'll see you next time.